Welcome to this lecture on character rotation in the right direction. Create a new variable of the type bool. Name this variable move right. From the action value, search for greater than. If the value of the action is greater than 0, it means that a character is moving in the right direction. Hold B key and press left mouse button to get branch node. Drag off the pin from greater than node and attach it to the branch node. Drag off the move right variable and make this true and attach it to the add movement input. Double click on the action value wire to create a reroute node and adjust it so that our code looks nice. From the action value, search for less than, select it. If the action value is less than 0, from false pin, search for branch node. Select branch and attach it with less than. If the action value is less than 0, it means that our character is facing toward left. So duplicate this move right variable and make this false and attach it to the add movement. From the false value, also attach it to the add movement input. Create a redo node so that our code looks nice. Select all the nodes and press C key to commit this event begin play. Similarly, select these nodes and hit C key, write a command for jump, move this a little bit aside. Similarly, select the IA move nodes and commit this movement. Right click and search for event tick. Select event tick. Event tick execute every frame of the second. Drag up from character movement and search for get velocity. Right click on the velocity and split structure pin. As our character is moving in x direction, so we will deal with the values of x. Drag up from x pin and search for compare float. If the value of the velocity is greater than 0, it means that our character is facing toward right. So right click in the event graph and search for get controller. Select get controller. From the get controller output pin, search for set control rotation. For new rotation, select for new rotation, make a rotator and the values for x, y and z axis should be 0. If you see in the viewport, select sprite. You can see that in the rotation tab, the values for x, y and z is 0. It means that our character is facing in the right direction. If the values of velocity is less than 0, it means that our character is facing toward left. Duplicate these nodes. From the less than pin, attach it to these nodes. Go to the viewport, select sprite. If we change the Z rotation from 0 to 180, you can see that our character is now facing toward left. So we will set the direction of our character to 180 if the value is less than 0. So change it to 180. So drag off our move right variable that we have just created and search for branch node attached is equal to pin to the branch node. If move right variable is true, that means our character is facing toward right, attach it to the above nodes. If false, attach it to the below node. So in this spring, make sure that rotation is set to world relative to the global variation. Hit compile and save and press play. You can see that whenever we move toward the right, the character is facing toward the right. Whenever we move toward the left, the character is facing left. Again hit play button, you can see that character is facing toward left. Select the move variable and make this true, so that when the game starts, the character is facing toward the right direction. Nice.
My complete Unreal Engine 5 Android mobile game development course on Udemy website. Link in the description. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, subscribe and press bell icon to get regular update.